Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to download the Hamster Kombat application from the Google Play Store. So if you have been seeing people playing the viral tap to earn crypto game and you also want to join it, I will walk you through how you can install the Hamster Kombat application safely on your Android device. So first of all, simply open your Google Play Store on your device. Once you are here, you just have to basically log in into your Google Play Store if you haven't already. If your email account is not logged in over here, you won't be able to download any of the applications. So make sure that it is logged in. Now tap on this search icon here in the bottom and use the search bar in order to search for Hamster Kombat. So remember the spelling as well. It is Hamster Kombat with K. Now this is the application that we want to download, which is Hamster Mining Pro. So here, once you are able to find the Hamster Kombat application, simply tap on the install button right next to it. So what this is going to do, it is going to install the Hamster Kombat application on your device. Now after the installation, you just have to log in here with the help of your LinkedIn account. So this way you will be able to easily download it on your device. So here some of the options that I would like to mention for it too. Like when you are prompted, you can just simply allow for the notifications so that you don't miss the daily bonuses and the special events. You can always turn the notifications off later in the settings if you prefer a quiet experience. And that's how you can download Hamster Kombat application from Play Store. You can start using it very easily and start earning the coins. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can just let me know that in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.